What you doing, Spirit? Huh? You okay, Ember? You're taking a nap. Oh, you can't see Spirit down here. Spirit, come over here. Come over here. Come here. There, that's better. Lay down. There, now they can see you too. I think I'm going to lower the head just a minute. This is real live TV, folks. There, that's better. Well, we're still down here in the RV resort, and the weather has turned nasty. Yes, I know. They want to go out and play. Yes. Rain or shine. Last night it was nasty. It rained a lot and filled up some areas here with water. And it's raining some more. Winds have picked up. However, after these next 2 days of nasty, windy, wet weather, it's supposed to clear up and get back into the 70s like it usually is. So this doesn't deter me at all because I know the kind of winter we're going to have up north in Washington. And I can deal with a couple bad days compared to 6 months of crappy weather in the Northwest for winter. So I've decided I'm going to stick around here and participate in the Thanksgiving potluck. So we're going to go in probably tomorrow when they say it stops raining and shop and get some food for the big potluck. And then after that, I'm looking through my... Hey guys, I'm trying to make a video. Jeez, boys, they're like kids. Looking through my Arizona map, I got things all over the place, circled and stuff like that. So I'm trying to decide. Let me see, where are we? There we are. Trying to decide if I want to go farther south or east first. Haven't made up my mind yet. I'm thinking of going down and checking out Ajo, and maybe this time going down to the Oregon Pipe Wilderness. I hear there's a good campgrounds down there. I'm not as worried about any problems down there now that the migration north has been pretty much stopped at the border. So let's see, there's quite a few things. I want to go check out that. And then farther south, I want to go see the Kartchner Caverns again, which are fabulous. If you're any kind of a caver or a person who likes touring caves, the Kartchner Caverns are magnificent. And I would suggest that you take both tours with an hour break in between. Oh, also there's Tombstone. It's always interesting. And Bisbee and White Horse Draw Wildlife Area. And oh yeah, Indian Bred Rocks. Fantastic BLM place. And guys, will you please quiet down? And the Fort Bowie National Historical Site is really good if you like Western history. It's got, I think Geronimo's son was buried there. Kids, my gosh. Hey, stop it. Ow. Let's calm down. Okay? Calm down. Yes. See what I gotta deal with on the road. But yeah. We're just gonna enjoy our Thanksgiving here at the big potluck, and then we're moving on somewhere. I really don't know. Depends on weather forecast and where the wind blows us. But the girls are doing great. We're having a fantastic time, and we're looking forward to going other places on our list and some new places too. We're out for a length of time, and the girls so far are doing good. And except for this little bad weather that's unusual for down here this time of year, once that passes, I think things are going to get back to normal down here. What? Did you throw your toy down there? Okay, I got your toy. I got your toy there. Oh, you want it too? We go get it from her. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hey, guys, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, okay, okay. Time out. Let me get up. Let me get up. But, oh, I'm glad you guys are enjoying my videos. I know some of the videos might be a little background noise because of the road and, you know. Yes, I know. Some of these roads we go on, just throwing this whole thing back and forth like I'm in a rowboat in high seas. And there's really not much you can do. You can only tighten things down so much. You got to have a little give, otherwise things are going to crack and break. So, hey, will you calm down? So, sorry for the background noise sometimes, but that's what living in a van is like at times. You know, you're in a house going through a earthquake. Ain't that right? Yes. Okay. You keep throwing it down for me to fetch. Why don't you go fetch? Huh? And let's see. I've taken the girls out a few times to relieve themselves, but I don't want to take them back there in the 6-acre dog park sandbox, because then they bring all that crap back into the house. And in this weather, in a small house, you don't want to deal with that. So, what are you doing there, huh? They're meeting new dogs here. And they put on the big front, but then once they kind of sniff each other and say, oh, you're not a threat, you're calm, you're nice, you don't have a ego trying to prove something by barking at us or biting at us, they do fine. Hey, what? Oh, got that. You got your stick? Okay, yeah. Oh, always. Constant attention getters. Aren't that right? Oh, my goodness. Spirit, sit. Oh, good girl. Sit, lay down. That's good in here. So yeah, I hope you guys will continue watching this. This trip basically has just begun. And I've got a lot of things I want to go see again. And some new things I want to search for and discover. So, what? Are you okay? Go get a drink of water. So, I hope you guys will stay with us and the girls and watch our adventures as they unfold on this channel. What are you doing? Well, pick it up. Spirit, pick it up. Get up here. Good girl. But, yeah, we're just a group of semi-nomads, you know. We try to travel at least 6 months or so of the year. And when the sun returns to the Pacific Northwest after the 4th of July, we're home enjoying... Oh, yes, I know. Enjoying the best weather the Pacific Northwest has up there between July 4th and, say, the end of September. So, we'll be traveling around up there once we return to where the sun goes later. What are you doing back there? No, you stay out of that, okay? Leave that alone. So, yeah, this is just I guess a bullshitting video. But, hey, this is what we do. Crappy weather. You're in a 19-foot RV that I can stretch my arms out and touch each side. Got the couch down in the bed formation. I can always pop it back up if I want. But I got my TV here I can fold out. I got my AM, FM, CD, DVD player, multiplex here, and this is as comfortable as living on a submarine was. So I'm totally happy. What are you guys doing? No, leave that alone, silly. There's nothing in there. You can't use the flashlight, you silly dog. Ember, Spirit, sit. Good girl. What a good girl. You're smart. Can you shake my hand? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. What a good girl. Okay. Let's see. What else can I say to make this video worth watching? What? You have something to say? Do you like the travel? Do you like this? Is this fun? Huh? What now? Oh, that was just her barking. There's nobody out there. Not in this weather. But, yeah, I'm just, making notes. My notepad here is all my notes I'm making about things, things to bring next time. Or things to leave home next time. You know, I'm always going over my plans. Yeah, there's extra crap I brought that I don't really need. You know, like my pantry here. I could have put probably half that crap in there, and then I would have had more room to put stuff in there. So standing up, I just pull it open, grab up my pots and pans, put them on the table here, and start cooking. But yeah, I am making a very, very minimalistic list, and I'm checking them off. I'm asking myself, do I really need it? Have I used it in the past? Will I use it in the future? You know, really getting downright honest with yourself and your habits and your way of living, even at home, because it doesn't change that much once you're in an RV. In fact, it becomes more compressed, if anything. So that's my advice to all you guys out there thinking about living the RV life. You know, all the crap you got at home, you need maybe a third of it to still be happy. It's a totally different lifestyle, you know. Even though we're semi-nomads out roaming around the Pacific Northwest, the Southwest for 6-7 months at a time, and then the rest of that time we're exploring the Pacific Northwest and that area when the weather's the best for what, 3 months maybe. Yeah. What? Did you saw that guy go by? I didn't even see if he had a doggy. But oh my gosh. Okay, what else can I say here? I appreciate all you guys giving me feedback, you know, like videos like this where we're just talking. Is this interesting? What could I add to it to make it more interesting? What do you want to know about us on the road? Hey, calm down, you wild animal. Spirit, get up here and calm your sister down. Jeez, Wes. Hey. Oh, yeah. What a big toughie you are. Really, you have to be happy living in a small compartment. You have to be happy just being still and just learning to relax and just let all the stress, all the anxiety, all that pent-up energy that's just eating at you all the time in society or at work or at home, and just kind of like you were a thermometer. Let all of the worries and that just kind of sink and flush out of you. When I meditate, the way I do it is I envision a tree, a deciduous tree, like an elm or something that loses its leaves, and I think of a leaf hanging on and then just letting go and slowly floating all the way down, continually down. And as that happens, I'm lowering my heart rate, lowering my repetitions of breathing, and just letting the tension and everything drain out of my brain and out of my muscles. And I do that until I reach a point where when that leaf I visualize hits the floor or the ground at the base of the tree, I'm totally, as much as possible, relaxed and just at ease. Even though I got some wild companions. That's how I used to do it in college and that, and I still find it very useful today. Isn't that right, Spirit? Huh? So, yeah, I guess that's it for today. Hopefully the next video you guys see, we will be somewhere else on the road. I don't know where. I don't know which direction. But our time here is almost up. So anyway, I guess, come here, get up here. As the girls and I always say, we wish you out there happy trails, and let's say it. Woof, woof. Oh well. Later.